Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Zero Electric FXS 6.5 kilowatt all-electric motorcycle. This supermoto just arrived with only 19,000 miles. Beautiful condition. Come on by, make your electric motorcycle dreams come true. Automatic transmission, just turn the key and go. Super quiet, and of course, no gas mileage to worry about. Only $74.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.